Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a hair video featuring Janet Collection. So if you'd like to see more, please stay tuned.
So this is the Janet Collection one-pack solution of Brazilian bundles. It comes with 3 bundles of hair and a frontal. The cool thing about this frontal is that it is from ear to ear. However, it mainly just provides coverage on the hairline, and then you basically have a closure in the centerpiece. And then here's the bundles. The hair is soft straight out the package. This is the body wave texture. The only thing is that the bundles are on a little on the thin side. So I'm going to make mine into a wig, and I'm going to start by sewing the frontal down onto a cap. So I'm going to do this like you would do a normal frontal and just sew along the back side of the frontal. And here's how it looks after I sew the frontal down and I cut the excess lace. So now I'm just going to start filling in the rest of the hair like I would do with any of my other wigs. I'm going to start at the bottom with the 22-inch bundle and just sew from side to side doing the fold over method. And so this is how the hair looks with one bundle. And this is the 22-inch bundle. And this is the hair with 2 bundles. This is the 22-inch bundle plus the 20-inch bundle. And this is how it looks once I finish the entire wig. So after I made the wig, I cut the net underneath it. I also went ahead and bleached my knots on the lace, and then I did some light plucking around the hairline. So this is how the wig looks after all the customization. As you can see, you see the main lace in the center, and then there's lace around the edges, and then I use the wig caps with the adjustable band. So now I'm just going to place this over my head. I did not use a stocking cap either. The lace was a pretty brown color, and then once I bleached the knots on the lace, it was pretty much exact to my skin tone. So now I'm going to sew this unit on. I liked the way the hair was feeling, and I knew I wanted to wear this for an extended period, so I'm going to sew it on. But this is how the frontal looks if you were to just lay it against your head, obviously you would need to pull it further past your natural hairline, and you will probably need to do more plucking as well. But since I'm sewing it down, I'm not going to worry about that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to part a small section from the frontal and pull it forward, and then I'm just going to sew the wig down on my anchor braid, and I'm going to sew along the sides and the back of the wig as well, and I'm going to do it on both sides. And so here's how the wig looks after it's been sewn down. So now I'm just going to cut some light layers in the front to frame my face. I'm also going to take a little bit off the ends of the hair, just to the hair is more on the thin side, so I did kind of trim like just the bottom, just for a more blunt cut, just to add a slight bit of fullness to it. And this is body wave hair, but after washing the hair and blow drying the hair, the waves kind of fell. So now I'm just going to go and run my flat iron through the hair and just flat iron it and straighten it out. That's pretty much it for the installation portion. Make sure you watch to the end if you want to hear my thoughts and just my more in-depth thoughts on this hair and all the details about this hair. Make sure you watch to the end of the video.
So this video is in collaboration with Janet Collection, and it is their one-pack solution of Brazilian bundles. So I have worked with Janet Collection before, and I have reviewed one of their one package solution installs before, and I will link that video somewhere in this video, or it will be linked down below. But essentially it comes with a frontal in 3 bundles in one pack, and it's enough to do your forehead. So I got the Brazilian body wave, and I got lengths 22, 20, 18, and then the frontal. The different thing about this packet, the frontal is not your typical frontal. It's a 13, so it's ear to ear. However, it provides kind of like a frontal and a closure. So it's a 13x4, and then kind of like a 4x4. So this portion right here is the 4x4, and then it also provides coverage around your hairline. So there's about 1 inch of lace on the hairline, and then the 4x4 here, so that you know, you get the coverage on the hairline, but you know, unless you're wearing your hair like pulled back in certain styles, a lot of times you don't really need all the extra lace. So yeah, I have mine sewn down right now, so I don't have it glued where you can kind of see how the natural hairline looks, but this is all lace around here. As far as the texture goes, again, this is body wave, but I did flat iron it, and it flat ironed pretty good. I didn't use all the hair. I used about almost all 3 bundles. I had like a little less than half of the 18-inch left. I will say the bundles are not that full, but I personally like the density of this hair. It's very natural. It's on the thinner side, so if you like fuller type wigs and looks, then you may want to add an extra bundle or something. But for me, I like the thin density, so Here is the full ponytail. It is true to length. I did trim the ends a little bit, but it is like a full 22 inches. One thing that I didn't like, the closure is pretty, or the frontal, it is pretty dense, so you will need to do some plucking. I hate plucking. Like, that's my least favorite part of doing anything with frontals. So I did some light plucking around the hairline, but since I knew I was just gonna wear it in the middle part like it is, I didn't bother doing all the extra plucking on the side. But if you do plan on gluing this down and wearing it like in like half up styles, then you will definitely need to pluck the hairline. I got it in the color like natural black. I think they offer it also in like a 613 color, so if you want to do blonde, or you know, want to apply a different color over the blonde, you have that option. But yeah, I actually really love the way that this unit came out. I liked it so much that I sewed it down. At first I was just going to install it and kind of do like a glued down method, but as I was styling the wig and flat ironing it and blow drying it, I was like, you know what, this may be my look for the next couple weeks. I love how, I know some people don't like the thin look, but I like how thin it looks and lightweight it is and how natural it looks. So yeah, I will have all the information about this hair linked down below if you're interested in getting it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Definitely check out Jenna Collection. They are definitely stepping up their game and, you know, making more than just like your old school pack hair. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.